Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set sound effects on the Match Masters application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just go to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen and click to the last button, the settings. Here you can find the second option, the sounds. If you want to turn off, just click the sound icon, and if you want to set the volume, just click to the maybe light purple icon and just pull on the line, and you can set the volume of the sound effect. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.